Hi, my name is Akoth. I work at Alien Gear Holsters and I work with the injection molding machines. So one of the things I do is get the products, inspect them, put them in totes, pack them ready for the production department. It's important to make sure the parts have no defects, and if we find any, we get the technician to come in and fix the machine so all the products can come out perfect for the customers. I work hard. I put 100% of myself because I love my job, and every holster I touch, I put my all into it so that the customers can have a good product in the long run. And again, my name is Akoth, and thank you for choosing Alien Gear Holsters.